Welcome to our channel. If you own commercial property or rental real estate and want to dramatically accelerate depreciation deductions, follow these step-by-step instructions to implement cost segregation effectively. Step 1. Understand that cost segregation identifies building components that can be depreciated faster than the standard 27.5 or 39-year schedules for real estate. Step 2. Determine if cost segregation makes sense for your property. It's generally beneficial for properties worth over $500,000, recently purchased or built, or held in high-income years. Step 3. Hire a qualified cost segregation specialist, typically an engineer or firm specializing in this service, to perform a detailed study of your property. Step 4. The specialist will identify and reclassify components such as carpeting, cabinets, appliances, specialty lighting, and land improvements into 5, 7, or 15-year property categories. Step 5. Receive a comprehensive cost segregation report detailing the reclassification of assets with supporting engineering documentation and compliance with IRS requirements. Step 6. File Form 3115 to change your accounting method for the property, allowing you to catch up on missed depreciation without amending prior returns. Step 7. Claim the accelerated depreciation on your current tax return, potentially combined with bonus depreciation, to dramatically reduce taxable income in the current year. Step 8. Consider the recapture implications. Accelerated depreciation claimed through cost segregation will be recaptured as ordinary income if you sell the property, so plan accordingly. The immediate tax savings often outweigh future recapture concerns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.